continuing on the Himalayan series. Himalaya is regarded as the prana of the world, lung of the world. It gives the nourishment for the whole world through the energy. It's through the river stream. It sustains a quarter of the world population. And Himalaya, the fresh air, nourishment, not only from the environmental side, also from the spirituality side. It is a healer. It nourishes. It is a life-giving. It is not only just the ecological side. It is the soul of the world. Himalaya is called as a soul of the world. That is why time immemorial seekers have been flocking to Himalayas for inner connection, inner enrichment. Whole year we are only busy making outer connection. We need to make an inner connection. For making inner connection, people across the world are flocking to Himalayas. How can I make an inner connection? And the Mana village in Badrinath, very special village. And in the Mana village, there is a mountain called as Vasudhara Falls. Vasudhara Falls, it is in the Mana village. It comes there. There is a Mana village has a lake, what is called as Manasarovar. So yogis, they say water from Manasarovar is coming to Vasudhara. Manasarovar. It is coming from Manasarovar stream. From there, it is coming, a stream coming through the Vasudhara Falls, and it is falling down, Manasarovar. Even if you can't go to Manasarovar, Vasudhara Falls, you go there, take care. Even to get the shower, it's not easy. It is so windy, it goes all over the place. And here, Vasudhara Falls, when we went there, what we saw, the big mountain, water is coming through, the big waterfall coming through that mountain. But when we went on the other track, other side, we realized water, in fact, it's not coming only from this one. There is water is falling from the mountain behind. Not only the mountain behind, a cascade effect. Series of mountain, from one mountain it is coming down. It is quite amazing how it is coming down and coming up. Waterfall means only this one. When we see the mountain behind, it is falling down and going up. It's a siphoning effect, cascade effect. It is coming down. What we see that in our life, if we are successful, we say, I worked hard and I am successful. What that Vasudhara is telling, you are just a face. You are a voice of that one. There is a behind that one energy. In fact, it is not your success. Somebody else's investment, it is flowing through you. You are just a representative. You are just a face of it. In fact, the behind, that is the so many mountains. If we are successful, it is not our effort. It is a series of blessing. Blessing has been coming, flowing from our ancestors through us. Ancestors to the merit, the punya of the ancestors. They are flowing through us. The merit of your ancestors, it is flowing through you. Not remain only as an encasher of the merit. You have to contribute to the pot of merit, so that this river of knowledge, river of your prosperity continues down the generation. Never say, I am here only to enjoy. Enjoy. Australia is such a prosperous country. Every holiday I want to go, enjoy. It is, scriptures talk about, there is nothing called as enjoying. You are just bearing. You are here to carry that message forward, pass it on, so that this abundance flows forward. Abundance, if I say I don't want to contribute, I don't want to do any sadhana, I want to only encash, you are risking, you are down the generation, moving into poverty, abjure poverty. Abjure poverty. Why we go into the poverty? We are not contributing. We are only encashing. How long you can keep on encashing? We are to reap the benefit, dividend. When you do the sadhana, our ancestors had done the sadhana long time back. We are reaping the dividend. Like we make an investment, after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you reap the benefit, the punya of our ancestors. We are reaping. How to be grateful? Not to be just reap it and encash it. I have to contribute. I have to contribute so that this dividend keep on flowing down the generation. This dividend must keep on flowing down the generation. We have to do the sadhana. Sadhana, not just I have to encash and run away with that one. No point in this. It is not the running away. This life is meant for sadhana. Sadhana, not just for merry and the finish the dividend, all the investment. Some families, ancestors, they have given us so much. We went on spending holiday, spending spree, and became bankrupt. We have seen people came from the very wealthy family. They kept on enjoying on all things, and I know the place where the Bangalore, that he was a billionaire, and his children took over the textile business. He had many gold business and textile business, and running some hostels, free hostels, and the children, they did not listen. They started investment on Middle East. They lost everything, to the point this billionaire, he was literally on the street. Billionaire, overnight he was on the street, and he had to go back to the hostel where he was giving the free accommodation. Not to say, I am so wealthy, I will enjoy. Things can turn. You have to contribute. Keep on contributing. And when you have this type of attitude, the path of the Satya opens up. Satya Panth, Sato Panth. Satya Panth means Sato Panth. Path of truth opens up. Satya means knowledge. Knowledge, the path of knowledge and joy opens up. Why knowledge is required? Satya is required. Truth is required. Knowledge, and knowledge is associated with bliss. Yasya sarve samaramba kama sankalpa varjita jnanagni dagda karmani tamaho panditam buddha. The knowers, they say, knowledge alone can burn all your karmas. Wrong karma, good karma, whatever, only knowledge is the ultimate purifier. Yesterday somebody who is the Akshaj or somebody asked the question, why fire? Fire alone, it's a knowledge of fire, burns all the karmas. Otherwise we don't have ability to carry the karma. One person yesterday, she was saying that almost in tears, so much of karma, what should I do? What should I do? I can't handle myself. Yes, you can't handle yourself. You should know how to offload that one. offload that Jnanagni Dagda Karmani. And you have to, the Agni, knowledge of, fire of knowledge burns everything. In the Himalayan foothill, there are so many so many avenues are there. As you start moving higher, your the degree of freedom reduces. At the foothill in Rishikesh, Haridwar, so many avenues. You can go here, you can go here. As you start moving higher in your life, your the degree of freedom reduces. So is graduates, Apratim age. He has so many opportunities. He can go here, he can go here. As he gets on to the professional course, after 5 years, his degree of freedom reduces. You have to continue on that one. The Satopant, Akshaj, no biting. Your bottom is called as a Bhuloka. Bhu means this plane. As you start progressing, what is called as Bhurloka, where the souls, departed souls, move around. The aerial body. And Swargaloka, it is the another place only for enjoying. I do hard work, I go there on a holiday, and as soon as my enjoyment is over, I'll be pushed back. It's a Swargaloka, place of merriment. And Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Swaham, and Mahaloka, Mahatmas go there. Great souls, they know the limitation of this Bhuloka, Bhuvaloka, Swarloka. They Mahatmas, they go to the Mahaloka. This life is not just for the encashing, I have to do the sadhana. Mahaloka, and further up is called as Janaloka, Sajjan, one who has done the sadhan, Sapta Rishis, Janaloka, Rishis, Janaloka, and further higher is called as Tapaloka, the people who are doing the tapas, long tapas. Life is not an easy. We say we did 1 month sadhana, we think we are elevated. The people are doing the sadhana years to come, lives to come, Tapaloka. From there, it is called as a Satyaloka. The truth to open, it is a Satyaloka. In the Satyaloka, there is no ambiguity. There is no exit, only one path. Satyaloka, one who is treading that path, Satyaloka, reach there, for that person, the only path exit available is path to Vaikuntha. Path of Vaikuntha means, Kunta means defect, full of defect. World is full of defect. You trust somebody, full of defect. No trust. Nobody can trust anyone. The Bhuloka and Swarloka, Swarga, only enjoying. They are not concerned about anything. As Mahaloka, make a Sangha with Mahatmas. Mahaloka. They have gone to Mahaloka. Make a Sangha with Janaloka, Sajjan. Make a Sangha, sang with Tapaloka people, Tapasvis. When you have those company of those people, undoubtedly you will go to the Satyaloka. That will take you no more imperfection. The Himalayan path, the Vasudhara, from the Manas Sarovar, the taking the dip, from there it is taking us to Satyaloka. When you go there, even on the way to Satyaloka, Satopant, various exits are there. One to Kedarnath side, another to other side, Brahma side, Vasudhara. But seekers of Satya, they only move towards the Satyaloka, that Swargarohana Loka, path of emancipation.